Investopedia, where we have impact investor Lok Capital, backed by the Rockefeller Foundation, which has raised $40.5 million as part of its third India-focused fund. Lok Capital's managing partner, Venky Natarajan, joins us on the show to give us more details about this new corpus. Mr. Natarajan, thank you so much for taking the time to be with us over here. Tell us about the new fund you've raised, the quantum, and the investors involved in it.
We just had a first close of our third fund for roughly 300 crores, and this fund is focusing to invest in financial services, healthcare and agri-businesses in India. And the first close comprised of some of our existing investors and one new investor, which is the largest teachers pension fund out of USA.
Also, how tough was it to raising funds in the current environment, keeping in mind, considering we have entered a ever more cautious environment?
So the fundraising environment has been challenging because of the overall performance of the funds in India over the last 10 years. And for us also, this has been somewhat of a difficult process over the last 15 months. But the fact is 3 out of our 5 large LPs of Lok has been coming back and investing in the third fund. Is also demonstrates the track record we have created over the first 2 funds.
And finally, tell us, where will the funds be deployed into? Will healthcare, education and spaces like that see more uptake?
So in the third fund, our focus is going to be more on investing in growth stage businesses, participating in Series B and Series C round, and not as much on early stage investments. So there will be a small pocket out of this fund that we will allocate to invest in startups, but largely it will be focused on growth stage businesses. And clearly what they can expect in addition to our capital is, as we have been doing over the last 10 years, providing a lot of support around hiring, both at the board level as well as at the management level, and second on the technology side. And thirdly, on the overall, some of the stalwarts in the financial services space have been either part of our advisory board or part of our team. So both Dr. Lal and Dr. Peck, and their involvement and our experience adds a lot of value to the companies that we invest in.
Finally, Venky, you've said the focus will be Series B, Series C. It's quite contrary to what we've been seeing in recent months, where, a lot of funding is going into the seed stage, Series A stage. Any reason why you want to continue to focus on, the later stages instead of the initial stages?
See, our focus is more on brick and mortar businesses in all these 3 sectors that I mentioned. In brick and mortar businesses, we feel that the early stage risk is quite high. The returns are not commensurate with that risk. So we feel businesses where the unit economics are clearly proven, the risk levels are much lower, and we can generate near private equity returns by investing in these companies. That is the reason.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.